What if I tell you, your hair already knows how to be thick, shiny, and strong? You just need to stop doing the things that are damaging it. Hair fall, thinning, dryness, and dullness are not just hair problems, they are body signals. In this video, I will explain step by step how a woman can naturally make her hair thicker, shinier, and stronger, from inside the body to outside care. No myths, no expensive treatments, only what actually works. Watch till the end, because one mistake most women make is destroying their hair without realizing it. Understand hair first. Before fixing hair, you must understand hair. Hair is not alive, but hair growth depends on living cells inside your scalp. Each hair grows from a hair follicle. That follicle needs blood supply, oxygen, nutrients, hormonal balance. If any one of these is weak, hair becomes thin, weak, dry, breakable. So hair care is not only oil and shampoo. It starts from inside your body. Food for thick and strong hair. Hair is made of protein called keratin. Protein is non-negotiable. If you don't eat protein, no oil in the world can save your hair. Best sources: eggs, lentils and dal, yogurt, nuts and seeds, chicken, fish. If you eat iron, the hidden reason for hair fall. Many women have low iron. Low iron equals low oxygen to hair roots. Iron-rich foods: spinach, dates, beetroot, pomegranate. If iron is low, hair becomes thin and sheds easily. Omega-3 for shine. Omega-3 makes hair soft and shiny. Sources: walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds. Water. Dehydration equals dry scalp plus dull hair. Drink water like it is hair medicine. Oiling the right way. Oil does not grow hair magically, but it improves blood circulation. Best oils: coconut oil, strength; castor oil, thickness; almond oil, shine. How to oil. Warm oil slightly. Massage gently for 5 to 7 minutes. Leave for 1 to 2 hours. Do not keep overnight if scalp is oily. Harsh massage causes hair breakage. Shampoo and washing mistakes. Big mistake: more shampoo equals cleaner hair. Truth: more shampoo equals more dryness. Rules: wash 2 to 3 times per week. Dilute shampoo with water. Apply only on scalp, not hair length. Always use conditioner on mid-lengths and ends, not scalp. Drying and styling damage. Wet hair is weak hair. Never rub hair with towel. Comb wet hair aggressively. Do this instead. Use cotton t-shirt. Air dry mostly. Use wide tooth comb. Heat tools daily equals hair thinning. Hormones, stress and sleep. Hair is very sensitive to stress. Poor sleep. Hormonal imbalance. High stress pushes hair into shedding phase. Sleep less than 6 hours equals weak hair roots. Your pillow time matters as much as your oil time. Natural masks. Mask 1. Strength. Yogurt plus egg plus olive oil. Once a week. Mask 2. Shine. Banana plus honey. Makes hair soft and glossy. Mask 3. Scalp health. Aloe vera gel. Soothes scalp and reduces breakage. What to avoid? Avoid tight hairstyles. Daily heat styling. Skipping meals. Crash dieting. Chemical treatments frequently. Healthy hair needs patience. Beautiful hair is not luck. It is consistent care. Feed your body. Protect your scalp. Be gentle with your hair. If you treat your hair like a crown, it will look like one. Thank you for watching.